Hey there everybody, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. Today we're going to go in here and check out what we're going to do. So there's something that I really wanted to learn to do, and that's to do Gcode. But I'm going to have to manage to teach myself along with tons of other YouTubers and tons of other formats and feedback from tons of different places to be able to learn Gcode. Luckily, the inspiration for that came with Engineezy over here at his channel. You should go check out his channel. As a creator, sometimes you just want to help, and I hope that's what I'm doing. I'm not affiliated or get sponsored or get any money from this whatsoever, but in the description below, you'll find the video that I'm talking about, and you'll also find the description for some really cool keychains that he designed, printed, and sells. So go check it out. And one of his videos had a resonant frequency for his printer that he did, moving it back and forth. And so I'm gonna start out with some simple Gcode just to move back and forth some marbles with some patterns. So let's get at this. So close. I'm learning the parameters of Gcode in a file of just a text document and making a Gcode that way. And I have to figure out what the threshold for how fast and the jerk for everything and the acceleration so that I don't abuse or ruin my machine. Test the limits. Let's amp it up a little. Now, I was following ChatGPT when doing this, so I thought that when it said that this was like really fast, that it would be really fast, but to my dismay, it wasn't really fast. So I had to go in and figure out what parameters I actually needed to have it at and what distances I could have it at for that nice motion for it to go all the way around in circles and circles and circles and circles. We'll get out of the troubleshooting though and get straight to where it's saucy. Here was the one that had the pause that was still left in it. On the next ones, I take out the pause and it makes it so much smoother. Let's see if you'll know the difference. Oh yeah, notice that difference? It seems so smooth to me. We'll amp this up one more time before we get to some other shapes that I tried as well. Let's jump out of the circles and go to a straight one. Here's what a straight one looks like. Definitely cool to watch, but it definitely gets boring compared to the circular one. Now this one looks really cool, but unfortunately, this was the best footage that I could get of it going as well as it could go. I really enjoy doing projects like this, especially when I'm learning and I'm getting to do hands-on stuff. I learn so much better when I'm trying to do that. Now by hand, this works so much better. Let me know what you think. And you all know what to do. Always make sure to follow for more. Put down in the comments what you'd like us to 3D print next, and we'll catch you later. Peace.